我的书宝们，上课喽！Woo! Woo! What do you guys think of that opening? Did you guys like it? Take two. 我的书宝们，上课喽！Blah, blah. Okay, that was what Cloud suggested. So what do you think of that? Do you like the ood, ood, or do you like the blah, blah? Okay. Let's take a vote on Wednesday, all right, to see what my opening should be. All right. Other than that, I have to tell you, today is December 4th. Today is December 4th, and I'm your prettiest teacher Sue. Okay, hi Cicada class. So I have not graded your tests yet, so don't keep asking me, Teacher Sue, what did I get on my test? Did anybody get 100? Who got the lowest and who got the highest? Okay, I don't know yet because I have not looked at your tests. I'm going to, again, look at them either on Sunday or Monday. So right now, as I am filming the video, I have not looked at them. Maybe if I film it later, I will look at them and maybe tell you something about the tests that I see. But for now, we have a brand new lesson in our English test book. So let's get to it. Boys and girls, turn your books to page 38. Student book, 38. Okay, so the title of this lesson is, What Were You Doing at 8 o'clock? Again, what were you doing at 8 o'clock? 有没有觉得这个句型有一点点耳熟啊？我让你想一下 What were you doing at 8 o'clock? 如果你心里面有在想说，好像有听到进行式的话 guess what? 你有一半对了 OK? 你听到那个 doing 有那个 ing 啊 right? OK? 就是在讲进行式。刚好我们的 Spotlight Reading Book 也是在讲进行式，不是吗？ Alright, 但是这个有点不一样，就是它是用 were 就是代表是它是过去进行式 OK? 所以我们这个单元会讲 past continuous tense 就是过去进行式，所以你有可能会听到 were 或者是 was 加 doing, taking, sleeping, walking 之类的 OK? 所以我们还会学习到除了过去进行式跟什么时候用 when 跟什么时候用 while 这个两个东西怎么放在句子里面 alright? 然后这个呢 when 跟 while 在用的时候会解释到就是你以前同时做过什么事情。我再讲一次以前同时做过什么事情 OK? 所以我们等一下会有例句，然后我等一下就会解释说我刚刚讲的是什么意思 OK? So let's take a look at the vocab first. So let's say it together. Taking a walk. Taking a walk. Getting dressed. Getting dressed. Getting dressed. Washing the dishes. Washing the dishes. Daydreaming. Daydreaming. Waiting for a bus. Waiting for a bus. Taking care of. Taking care of. Okay, so those are the 6 vocabulary words for this lesson, and let's talk about the meaning. Okay, taking a walk, I think you should know. 正在散步走路. Getting dressed is like putting on your clothes. Okay, I'm getting dressed. I think you should know washing the dishes. Washing the dishes after dinner. Daydreaming. Okay, who likes to daydream in our class? I have an idea already. Okay. Waiting for a bus. So you go to the bus station and then I'm waiting for a bus. And then the last one, taking care of. So you could be taking care of your brother, or little sister. Okay, so you should know what these 6 meanings are. If you don't know, you can still pause the video and then look up the words and then come back to it. Okay, so let's go to section B. So let's look at these 2 questions in section B. Okay, number 1 goes like this. What were you doing when I called you? What were you doing when I called you? I was reading a book. I was reading a book. 意思就是，当我打电话给你的时候，你在做什么呢？ This is actually a very good question to learn. Okay, you should memorize this. This is very good. Like, hey, what were you doing when I called you? All right, and then it's like, oh, I was sleeping. All right, it's easy to say. Like, 我正在睡觉. Like that. Okay, number 2. What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? I was taking a walk. I was taking a walk. 所以意思就是你今天早上8点你在做什么呢？我正在散步。可以啊，可以。这都是在过去的时候哦。OK， 你做过的。那 let's look at the yellow box together. Let's say it together. Ready, set, go. I was reading a book when you called me. When you called me, I was reading a book. 这2个句子是一样的意思，只是 when 的放的地方不一样。所以之前我有在上课的时候讲过说，当 when 放在中间，句子的中间的时候，它不需要 comma. You don't need to put a comma there. However, if you put when at the beginning of a sentence, okay, when you called me, I was reading a book. 你有没有听到它的顿点，它的 pause 在哪里 ？Okay, when you called me, comma, I was reading a book. Okay, so let's look at the 3rd and 4th sentence. You called me when or while I was reading a book. When or while I was reading a book, you called me. Again, these 2 sentences are the same meaning. Okay, 它只是跟你说，你可以用 when 或者是 while. Okay, that's it. That's it. 那当你 when 跟 while 放在前面的时候，你就要中间句子的中间那边就要放一个 comma。所以看你习惯用什么。我觉得如果你常常会忘记 comma 的话，我觉得你可以常常写就是 when 放在中间 and then you don't need to put any punctuation except the period. Okay? So, I'm going to discuss this more in class if you're still confused, but I'm going to move on to section C now. Boom. All right, let's get into our conversation. Okay, I just felt like doing that. I don't know why, just to give it some boo. Okay, all right. So everybody, let's open up not open up, but turn the page to page 39. Student book, page 39. Okay, let's go over the conversation between Rachel and Jeff. Okay, let's say it together. 不要懒惰，好吗？就一起讲，然后也不准跳过。All right, so ready, get set, go. How are you, Jeff? Terrible. What's wrong? I lost my bicycle when I was cycling around town today. Huh? You lost your bicycle? Yes, I think I lost it when I was watching a fire engine. What happened? Well, I was pushing my bicycle near the library when a fire engine passed by. Then, what happened? I think somebody took my bicycle when I was following the fire engine. Somebody took it? Yeah, I just left it for a few minutes. So in this conversation, there are 3 blue sentences that you see. Let's go over them together. So the first blue sentence is, I lost my bicycle when I was cycling around town today. Notice the sentence uses past progressive tense, okay? So identify the subject. Subject is I, okay? Be verb. I told you to remember that guy, right? Okay, so the be verb is was, and then V-I-N-G. So cycling, you add I-N-G. So what does this all mean? All right, so in Chinese, I would translate it like this. 当我今天在小镇骑脚踏时，我把脚踏车丢掉了。Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, the second blue sentence is, well, I was pushing my bicycle near the library when a fire engine passed by. So based on the picture, I think you should know what a fire engine is, okay? It has a red truck, all right? So fire engine meaning like the car that they drive. The truck that they drive, the truck that they drive. So again, identify the subject, the be verb, and the V-I-N-G. So subject is be verb, was, 然后 V-I-N-G, pushing, OK? 所以这个呢，在中文你会怎么翻呢？我来想一下我会怎么翻。当有一个那个 fire truck， 中文怎么说？那个不是救护车，那个火的那个车，就是经过的时候，我正在推我的脚踏车，所以是两个事情同时发生哦。OK。Moving on to the third blue sentence. I think somebody took my bicycle when I was following the fire engine. Okay, again, identify the subject. Identify the be verb. And then the V-I-N-G, which is following. Okay, 有加个 ing. 所以我也来翻翻看，你看 Teacher Sue 的翻译有没有准确，还是说a little bit off? Then we can talk about it on Wednesday too. 当我在跟着这个火，我还是不知道那个叫什么火车吗？不是火的那个啊，烧火的那个嘛，那个车的时候，我觉得有一个人把我的脚踏车拿走了。OK， 所以第三个蓝色句子是这样翻哦。All right， 所以我们来看一下说 Section D 怎么回答这个问题。So this part is for homework。那如果你不太清楚说里面的 conversation 在发生什么事情的话，你再回去看这个的意思。Okay, basically it's a conversation about what happened and why is Jeff feeling like terrible. All right, because he lost his bike. All right. So number 1, what was Jeff doing when he lost his bicycle? What was Jeff doing when he lost his bicycle? So complete sentences. He 记得要用过去进行式来回答这个问题。Number 2, what was Jeff doing when the fire engine passed by? So again, you need to use past progressive tense. Okay, so he. Okay. Number 3. When does Jeff think somebody took his bicycle? Again, identify the subject. He was following the fire engine. Okay. I don't think these answers are very hard, but if you think, again, I'm going too fast, pause the video right now. 然后把你的答案通通写出来，然后再继续看。So now that we're done with page 39, I was going to go over. 你看你有没有听到？我用过去进行式哎。I was going to go over page 40, 但是我觉得这个 flashcard 的部分比较适合在上课的时候讲，因为我可以写在黑板这个句型。当我跟你们在 videos 讲的时候，我怕就是不太清楚，不然就是你们直接跳过。我知道有一些人就会直接跳过，所以我讲了等于没讲。所以 Teacher Sue will wait until page 40 to do in class, okay, in your student book. And you were thinking, well, is Teacher Sue going to do workbook? Well, I didn't really talk about the workbook yet. 我们还没有讲够 student book, 所以我们还不太能做 workbook. OK, 我知道有一些人已经开始欢呼了，这样子，耶，no workbook. OK, not yet, not yet. And then the spotlight reading. I don't know if you remember, but on last Friday, we did the GEPT part, remember? 然后我就说我们星期三就直接来对答案 ，OK， 就不用再讲之前就是the vocabulary words 还有那个文法的部分，我们就会直接从50、51、52来对答案。So if you didn't do it yet or you didn't come that day, okay, you need to do 50、51 and 52。所以我们礼拜三上课回来的时候可以直接对答案哦，我们会交换对答案 ，OK？ 所以 Teacher Sue 接下来呢要跟你们分享说，我这个周末有去哪里吃，然后吃了什么，跟去哪里玩。I'm always very happy to share with you guys because I think it is very like 生活化的英文 like that's what I do when I want to relax, so I want to share with you what I eat when I go to a restaurant or after work. What do I eat? And sometimes after work, like I like to have fun too. Who doesn't like to have fun, right? 我也喜欢就是找好玩的东西，所以要分享给你们看，就是 Teacher Sue 去吃什么也去玩什么，所以enjoy the rest of the videos, and then I will ask you on Wednesday what kinds of things I ate and what things I played. Okay? So, also, if you're asking me, Teacher Sue, 你改考卷了吗？我还没有看考卷，所以我还没有办法跟你们分享说考卷里面的内容谁错什么最多。OK， 我也不知道最低的分数是谁。Alright， 有没有100分我也不知道。Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this up and then I will see you on Wednesday and enjoy the rest of the video.
Hi boys and girls, I have to speak very loudly because I am at an arcade, okay? This is called Tom's World. Tom's World. I think you might have heard of it before. And I'm going to show you all the games they have here. Come on, let's take a look. 你看这个电动玩具，我一直很想要知道说他们在干嘛，好激烈。然后隔壁的人在赛车，给你看 ，racing cars。More racing cars, but this is Mario. Woo! Look how big this arcade is. 而且很吵。然后 I don't know how to play this. 这个是好像你投那个钱币，然后它要引诱它这个钱会掉下来。好多台，这个也是一样的。Boys and girls, this is called the Battle Rider. Battle Rider, and then 这个好像是骑那个重机的，感觉很好玩，拍一下。Look at it go. Like he went into the border. Hi, Cicada class. This is Teacher Sue, and I'm going to share with you what I'm having for dinner. I don't think I've ever shared with you when Teacher Sue goes to a 越南餐厅。你们知道怎么讲越南吗？Okay, you can go look it up. 那越南餐厅呢？英文怎么说？你可以自己2个是不同的字哦，你们自己可以去查查看。然后之后星期3的时候 ，Teacher Sue 回来会问你们哦。And then this is what I'm having. ta da! 这个是凤梨海鲜炒饭。Let's see if you know how to say that. 凤梨海鲜炒饭。And then this.I think Taiwanese people eat this a lot, okay? And this 空心菜，你可以自己去查查看。其实 Teacher Sue 也要自己查查看，因为 in America we don't eat this, okay? This is not a vegetable that American people eat. 所以我自己也要查哦，所以你自己去查查看。And then the last thing I'm gonna eat is, ta-da!OK， 这个就是牛肉咖喱，我觉得这个还蛮时常看到的啦。OK， 牛肉咖喱。然后我忘记跟你们讲，还有一个生春卷。Look at the vegetable here, and then there's meat here, and then there's shrimp. 那你可以去看一下，说越南的生春卷到底怎么说呢 ？OK。那我现在就要来试吃一点点给你们看喽。哈，Oh, I love the crunch. I love the crunch on this. So good, flavorful. 空心菜来了。很入味。I'm drinking the 咖喱汤。这2个比较有味道。Alright, so I'm gonna go enjoy my meal, and then I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye bye.